feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Cause sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I'm sorry, I always fought just to wear the crown. Just let me be off and stay out of your way. For all time, they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. Baby, I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Control the pain. You're sticking by my side, maybe we can be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you can be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. Yo, let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I've been off at these broken clowns. For all time they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm going through town. I say it like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing got down. I'm going with the world. I think that I'm broken, but I also can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have a purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch